Alright, so I have cooked the lobster and I've cut it up, 3 lobster tails. And I cooked the bacon. I think that was about 4 slices of bacon. Shredded, we have Gouda, smoked cheddar, and Munster cheese. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so I'm making the roux. I have like a tablespoon of butter. I use some of the bacon oil and a tablespoon of flour, and there's some minced garlic up in there too. Okay, so I've added my milk and half, and that is Old Bay seasoning that's on top. And this is just garlic salt. And I'm gonna use some onion powder and some black pepper. So let me get back to stirring. Okay, so let me go ahead and add some cheese. And stir. Okay, can't do that with 2 hands, but I'm trying. Okay, so I folded the cheese sauce into the noodles, and now I will add the lobster and the bacon. CHEDDAR said the carjackers had argued briefly in the back. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bake this at 350 for about, I'm gonna do 20 minutes and then check it, but probably 30 minutes max. Alright, so there you have it. We are finished. I'm gonna plate it up and we're gonna enjoy.